Welcome back to the Electrician's Tool Channel. On the bench today, we have the FLUKE T+Pro electrical tester, model number, that's it, T+Pro. Okay, this tester was released to the market on February 15th, 2013. To my knowledge, I believe you can still purchase this tester from FLUKE, or if not, you can find one on eBay. Now, before I get into telling you the features, I want to let you know this is one of my favorite testers. In fact, this is the one I carry in my tool bag all the time. I do keep a clamp meter with me, but it's not often that I have to do an amp, some kind of amp draw, anything, unless I'm troubleshooting. But other than that, this is the perfect tester for me. It's auto. When you use it, you just, you just touch the leads on when you're trying to make a measurement. It auto selects for you what you're testing, DC, AC. It also has a continuity buzzer feature, which you have to press that. But let me just zoom you in closer and I'll explain what I'm show you what I'm trying to tell you. Okay, so starting from the bottom, let's go from the test leads. The test leads are heavy duty. The probes itself are detachable. You can change them out if you like, but I choose to keep these because the tip of them, the tip of the probes of these probes are flat, and they're made specifically for receptacles. You can slide like blade type probes. You can slide them into the receptacle without any trouble. Most probes are round, and they'll still fit in there, but not as good as these are. These probes are heavy duty, and they come detachable right here. Even the leads, let me turn it around. The probes are heavy duty. Even the leads are heavy duty. They are interchangeable, but I think you would have to, what I mean by changing out the probes, some kind of way. I never had to do it, and so you have to take it loose from here, or pull that off some kind of way. I hope I never have to do that because I did not see any screws or anything that I can take it loose to pull that off. I'm sure you can do it. I may have to send it back to FLUKE. Let them do it for you. Looking at the maximum voltage is 600 volt Cat 4, 1000 volt Cat 3. So the screen, the display is pretty good. The backlight on is really nice. It has white LED, evenly lit backlight that I like. Also, let me see. It's designed to work even though the batteries are dead. Okay, so that's a plus. The soft keys right here is for to have a Worklight at the top. We'll get to that in a moment. I'll show you that. But the next soft key is a resistance ohms button. This soft key in the middle, you can either turn on the sound when you're doing continuity or taking resistance, turn it on or turn it off here. It also has a GFCI tester and a hold button right here. Looking at all the measurements here, it starts, the max is 600, going up, starting from the top max to the minimum. 600 volts, 480, 277, 240, 208, 120, 48, 24, 12, and that's the continuity buzzer symbol at the top. Now, up here is what I tell you about the Worklight. You kind of see where it's kind of, it's yellow, and then you see the little glass. That's it. It's a very bright LED Worklight as well. On the back, they have a storage for your probes, which I think is really nice. I just happen to have a pouch that it fits in perfectly that I've got from Klein, from one of their testers. For one of their tool belts a long time ago, and I had it over and it fits perfectly in there. So I strap it onto my Vito Pro back. OT Pro Pack bag, and I just strap it on there, and then because it has like a belt strap on the pouch, it works perfectly. This meter, it's like I say, one of my favorites, one of my go-to. Now, if I need a clamp meter, it's accessible to me, readily accessible to me. I can go get it out of my truck. But other than that, This is a very nice meter. I don't have anything at all to say about it whatsoever. It never let me down. I don't see it letting me down. It takes, I think it's 4 AA batteries. Now, you guys subscribe